Okay, today we are talking about how to change the water filter on your Samsung refrigerator, specifically model RF263BEAESR. Okay, so you can find this data sticker inside your refrigerator in the upper left-hand corner to the left side. Again, there's a model number of this Samsung refrigerator that we will be working on today. And you can see here the red filter change indicator light is now illuminated, telling us it's time to change the filter. You can buy a OEM filter or one of these aftermarket filters from IcePure or other manufacturers. And here is the specific model number of this water filter, RWF0700A. You can buy them on Amazon, eBay, at your local big box store, etc. They're rated for 6 months. And this is what the filter looks like. Again, it's for Samsung model and this Kenmore model. And be careful with those O-rings. You don't want to cut those or mess those up. So if you open your fridge, the filter is located right here between these two drawers. You want to turn it to the unlock position to the left. If it's hard to turn, I have a trick to show you. Grab a pair of pliers or channel locks. Gently grab it and then turn it. It should turn for you and pull out.
Woo!
Installing the new filter is fairly simple. Make sure the arrow start is pointing up. Push the filter all the way straight in and then gently turn it all the way to the right until it locks in the lock position as you see here. Next, you're going to want to grab a bowl or a cup and purge the air out of the line and any filter dust that may come out as well. I'd say you need to run it for 20 to 30 seconds. The water should run clear, and then it's ready for use. Next, I will show you how to reset the filter indicator light. So simply hold this button for 3 seconds until the red light goes out.
Woo!
Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.